Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening Canva and creating a 9:16 project because YouTube Shorts favor vertical video. This ensures full-screen mobile playback. Once done, upload your clips, images, and logo so everything is on hand. Make sure to pick a background track or upload one you own. Canva will auto-fit audio to duration. Now add a title card and set the project length under 60 seconds. Starting with the right size and assets saves time as you build the short. You move into detailed editing using Canva's timeline, where you trim clips to punchy beats and arrange scenes. Once arranged, apply quick animations to headings and use text presets for readable captions. This boosts retention and accessibility. Make sure to crop or reposition footage to keep faces centered, and adjust playback speed when an action feels slow. Also layer overlays and color adjustments for consistent contrast. These mid-process tweaks are why your short feels. You finalize by exporting as MP4 at 1080x1920 with H.264 so YouTube accepts it and mobile playback is crisp. Once exported, pick a clear 3-5-second thumbnail frame inside Canva or on YouTube, add a short, searchable title plus relevant hashtags, and upload as a short. Make sure duration stays under 60 seconds. If something goes wrong, like audio desync or failed uploads, re-export using AAC audio, reduce bitrate, and clear cache. That usually resolves the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.